Welcome to HS Stories. Kindly watch full video until the end for better understanding. Have you ever told yourself, I'll do it tomorrow? What if I told you that one habit could destroy your future? In a small town, there lived a boy named Sahil. He had dreams, big ones. He wanted to be successful, make his parents proud, and achieve something great in life. But Sahil had one problem. He always believed he had more time. Whenever he had something important to do, his studies, his assignments, his responsibilities, he would tell himself, it's okay, I'll do it tomorrow. And tomorrow became the next day. And the next day became the next week. And before he knew it, opportunities slipped through his fingers like sand. His parents warned him, Sahil, time is like water. It flows forward and never comes back. But he would just smile and say, I still have plenty of time. His friends moved ahead in life. They studied harder, learned new skills, and worked towards their goals. But Sahil, he remained exactly where he was, stuck. One day, an inter-school competition was announced. It was a golden opportunity. Winners would get trophies, certificates, and even a chance to be featured in a prestigious magazine. Sahil thought, this is my chance. I should start preparing. But then he told himself, there's still time. I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow never came. His friends started preparing, working late nights. Practicing their speeches, improving their skills. Sahil, he kept postponing. The day of the competition arrived. His friends won medals, got appreciation, and made their parents proud. Sahil sat in the audience, clapping for them, learned valuable lessons from inspiring stories. Subscribe now. But inside, he felt empty. He realized that he had no one to blame but himself. He had lost his chance. Not because he lacked talent, but because he wasted time. That evening, he felt restless. For the first time, he regretted his habit of delaying things. A few days later, an old and respected teacher, Master Shahid, visited their town. People said he had changed the lives of many with his wisdom. Curious, Sahil decided to meet him. Not because he wanted to change, but because he wanted a shortcut to success. When his turn came, he asked, Master, I feel like I'm failing in life. My friends are ahead of me. Please tell me how I can surpass them. Master Shahid smiled and said, let me tell you a story. The story of the lazy farmer. Once, there was a farmer who had inherited a large, fertile land from his father. The soil was rich, and he had all the tools needed to grow crops. But the farmer had one bad habit. He always postponed his work. One morning he thought, I should plow my fields today. But then he said to himself, I can do it tomorrow. One day won't make a difference. The next day, he found another excuse. It's too hot today. I'll start tomorrow when it's cooler. And the cycle continued. Weeks passed, then months. When he finally decided to work, he realized it was too late. The planting season had passed, and the land had turned dry and useless. He had wasted his chance. That year, all the farmers around him harvested crops and earned profits. But he had nothing. Only regret. He had all the resources, all the potential. But he lost it all because he wasted time. Master Shahid finished the story and looked at Sahil. Tell me, my child. Do you see yourself in this farmer? Sahil felt something shift inside him. For the first time, he realized that his life was just like that farmer's land. Full of potential, but wasted because of delay. He had the ability to study well, but he always postponed it. He had ideas and dreams, but he never took action. He had time, but he let it slip away, day after day. And just like the farmer, if he waited too long, one day he might wake up and realize that it's too late. With a lump in his throat, he whispered, Master, have I already lost too much time? Master Shahid smiled gently. The best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The second best time is now. You cannot change the past, but you can take control of your future. That day, Sahil made a decision. He would never delay again. He started valuing time, completing tasks on schedule, and making every moment count. Slowly, his life changed. His grades improved, his confidence grew, and he finally started moving forward. Years later, when Sahil became successful, he often thought about that day. The day he almost lost everything to procrastination. Because time is like an open door. If you walk through it on time, it leads to success. But if you wait too long, it will close, and you will be left standing outside. Time is the most valuable currency. Spend it wisely, or you'll spend your life regretting its loss. Time is the most valuable asset. You can earn money back, but lost time is gone forever. Every second you waste is a step further from your dreams. Tomorrow is the biggest lie we tell ourselves. I'll do it tomorrow often turns into, I wish I had started yesterday. Success is built on action, not intention. Procrastination is the silent dream killer. Small delays turn into big regrets. The difference between winners and losers is that winners take action now. The best time to start was yesterday, the second best time is now. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, create it. Your future self is counting on you to take action today. Hard work compounds over time. What you do daily shapes your future. 1% improvement every day leads to massive success over time. Fear of failure shouldn't stop you. Fear of regret. Should failing is painful, but regretting never trying is worse. Action eliminates fear. Do it scared, but do it anyway. Your success is hidden in your daily habits. Small consistent efforts lead to big results. Discipline beats motivation. Show up even when you don't feel like it. Your life is a result of the choices you make daily. Every decision you make today is shaping your tomorrow. Don't let distractions steal your dreams. Stay focused.